Today we will learn how to enable YouTube auto-generated option through which you can see the lyrics of any video. I have already covered in my previous video how to show a mobile display on your PC. So let's move forward and come to our main topic, starting with the wireless display, because I have to show you my mobile app on this PC. Here we will type wireless display. So here it will appear. Connect to wireless display, then click on the projecting to this PC, and then launch to connecting app. Once click on it, go to your mobile, and in setting you will find or enable the cast option, and then your mirror image of your mobile will be appear on your PC screen. See, now it has been appeared. Now we will go to YouTube app. Let's open it. Here is my video. I show you. Here is the caption, and let's play it. Then you will see what's exactly what I am going to show you.
Here is the extension tab. Click on it.
See, in this video
And
there is
get
only voice,
add-on.
but the lyrics are not here. To show the lyrics on this video,
Here you will try
because the option is not enabled.
word.
So let's enable it. We will go to setting option as the cursor is showing, and then we will go to enable captions, and then we will select to English auto generated option. See what the difference you will show after this. And now I'm going to play this video again.
The first option will be word cloud
See,
generator.
now the lyrics
Click on it.
are going to be
Three
appeared.
options will be appear.
So in the
Click
most of
any
the
one of them.
mobiles, this option is not enabled. That's why the lyrics not appeared on your video. So again, if I disable this feature, again the lyrics will be hide. Go to setting, captions, turn off. So again I'm going to play it.
Like suppose I select it. I have already
See,
installed.
no lyrics are
You can
appearing.
also
So this is
select this
the
one and this one.
option of the YouTube video. So use it and enjoy it. Thank you. Another option is, this is your video, YouTube video, which is going to be played.
Like suppose
And to enable the lyrics or disable the lyrics, there is another option on your YouTube, is the CC option, like which is called having a label, subtitle closed caption. Once you click on it, see the lyrics have been hidden, and in your setting it is automatically disable off. But when you either click on subtitle, either click on the CC, the lyrics will be appear here. See the difference? See, the lyrics now appear. So this is another option to enable the lyrics on YouTube.